What's happening, West Genesee High School? David Flood here, coming to you with a little reminder message and a thank you and a Happy New Year. I know like maybe 3 of you remember me. I was there before Christmas. I'm just kidding. Probably 5 of you remember me. I hope more than that. I wanted to come back to you guys and girls and just remind you, I didn't talk about my wife when I was there a lot, and thank goodness for that. But we've been married for 21 years, almost 22 years, and together for almost 30. But her favorite 4 words to me are, when I always say, you're nagging me, you're bothering me, stop telling me, etc., etc. Her favorite 4 words to me are, I'm just reminding you. She says that to me almost every day, sometimes twice a day. So she's just reminding me. So in the words of my lovely wife, Mary, I'm just reminding you of the challenges that I gave you when I was there in December. And, if you want your day to go better and your week to go better and your months to go better and your, years to go better and your life to go better, using these 4 things, these proactive things that are gratitude, practicing gratitude, irregardless of the results, will help you tremendously. So first challenge is look on the inside of people. Don't judge people by the outside, and always look on the inside. Second challenge is to reach out and connect with 2 adults in your building or in your life, trusted adults that you can go to when you're struggling and not struggling, that you can share something good with, or share something that you're struggling with, to lighten your load and lessen the burden that you carry every day. And the third challenge, you guys remember, I hope you remember, the one that was most important to me and closest to my heart is no one eats alone. Include the unincluded. Find a way to bring people into your circle. Look for opportunities when you can reach out to people who are alone and lonely. And if you work on those things, again, like I told you when I was there, watch what comes back to you. I'm very grateful for my time there. I had an awesome time at West Gen. Hope you're all well. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I really, really hope that the second half of the year goes smoothly for all of you. I hope it's a great spring, and I know the weather's been crappy up there, but I hope that you have an awesome spring and an awesome rest of the year. I hope to see you guys down the road. Have a great day.